All right, back on the Cummins 5.9 with the cylinder one misfire. Here we are. It's all put back together. Already showed you about how to install the injectors the proper way, and showed you even what it looks like outside of the head, inside of the head. I showed you outside what it looks like in there and why that procedure has to be done that way. So real quick, just wanted to run through some of the torque specs that I possibly did not mention while I was doing the other videos. Remember, your rocker arms, they go at 27 foot-pounds. Your injector lines, they go at, I put them at 25 foot-pounds. That's what I do. And also, when putting these together, make sure you hold this 15/16 nut that holds down the connector tube. Make sure you hold that down the best you can while you torque these, okay? That way it doesn't walk and it doesn't move and it doesn't change the torque that's inside. I also showed you a video on what it looks like inside of that hole. It's actually very interesting. But go ahead and check it out. If you have any questions about the process, if you're only looking at this video and wondering what was done before this, go to my channel, check it out. And going forward, hopefully the content gets better. As you can see, the speech pattern is getting better. I'm learning. Okay, these are baby steps I'm taking. These are growing pains in the channel, and hopefully I can offer you guys a much better content going forward as resources get better. As you guys subscribe, as you like, as you send me going forward, I get to show you better things. All right, well, let's get back to it. And also, one last quick thing. Don't forget, I know I always preach this. Grease it up. As you can see, I greased the two valve bridges right at the tips. And these push rods don't have a hole in the center. There's no oil coming up. So go ahead and put some grease on there. You don't have to get as crazy as I did right there. It looks like that because I rubbed it across. But you do need to put grease in there because at first startup, it's going to run dry for a little bit as the oil comes up through the engine. All right, well, there it is. I'll show you guys when it's ready to run, show you what it runs like. And there's obviously still going to be a cylinder one misfire because there's no compression there. Check out the videos on compression. You'll get to see how to do compression on one of these trucks. All right, see you guys soon. Be safe.